Sabi ng isang kanta. Pag po alam ninyo, sabayan po ninyo. Ito ang dasal natin sa Panginoon. I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through. Confused, didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. Sabay-sabay tayo. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You made me live again. Mga kapatid, ito yung katotohanan na ipinaparana sa atin ngayon. Di ba noon parang susuko ka na? But He gave you hope. Di ba noon parang gulong-gulo ka? But He gave you peace. Di ba noon ang daming problema? Pero itinawid niya tayo. Kasi ganun ang pagmamahal ng Diyos. Have peace in your heart. Pumayapa kayo. Kasi kontrolado yan lahat ni Lord. Sakit, utang, alalahanin. Alayan. Kasi alam natin, pag Diyos ang kumilos, siguradong ayos. Amen? Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon.